Good morning children. Today we will learning chapter number 5 substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. Can you tell me the children? Yes, states of water. Yes. As you know, there are the three states of water. First one is a ice. Okay, ice is a solid state of water. When water is in a ordinary, then it is a liquid state. And when we heat the water, then water convert into vapor form, that is of gaseous state. So that is the three states of water: ice, water and water vapor. That is solid, liquid and gaseous states of water. See in the picture, see how there is the change in the states of water. Okay, at first solid, when we heat at normal, when solid melt, then form a liquid state. Then when we heat to the liquid, it form a gaseous state. So these are the three states of water. Understood? Next, let's see the change of state of substance. As here candle is there, when it burning, at previous candle is in solid state. When we burn it, it form a molten state. Okay, and again if we give the heat to that molten state, it form a wax vapor, that is vapor state. Okay, let us see one activity. Okay, for that we have to take wax in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. As we provide the heat to that bowl, so that now that candle is in solid form, now it's start to melting. Yes, after heating it start to melting. So after some time we get the melting wax. Okay, so it is now in a liquid form. Okay, but again if we cool that melting wax, again we get the solid state of wax. So that is the change of state of wax. When we give the heat, that solid wax convert into melting wax, and again when we cool it, again we get the solid wax. At home also you can do this activity with the help of your mother. As you have the candle, take one bowl, in that take a pieces of candle and give the heat. On gas you can keep that bowl. Okay, with in front of your mother you have to do it. Then as after some time, now that solid wax start to melt. So now again after melting that total wax, then again keep that bowl for a cooling. Okay, in a dish you can take some water and in that keep that boil. Then you are observing that after some time, again that melting wax form in a solid wax. So that is what change of state of wax. So from that activity what we conclude that when a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called as change of state of the substance. That is called the change of state of that substance. Means solid convert into liquid, liquid convert into gas. That is the change of state of the substance. Now see in the pictures there are some substances. For example, spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride. For ammonium chloride also called the Navsagar. Now out of these substances, ghee and coconut oil freeze in winter. Yes, you can observe that ghee and coconut oil, now in normal season it is in a liquid form, but in winter season it is form a solidify. Okay, again out of that, see camphor and naphthalene balls. Camphor, naphthalene balls and ammonium chloride directly changes into gaseous state. as we are keeping that camphor in a window, okay, and after 2 to 3 days, as you observe that, you are observing the size of camphor become a small. Naphthalene ball also, as we are keeping that to avoid the insects, cockroaches. After some days, we are observing that their size get decrease. Means what? That solid substance convert into directly vapor form or gaseous state. Then petrol and spirit, these liquid have changes into vapor form. Okay, petrol is in liquid form, spirit also is in liquid. Then as you open it, when it come in contact with air, so that directly liquid convert into vapor form. So these are the some changes. So from this what we conclude that the state of a substance, what we conclude that the state of a substance changes if it is heated or cooled. When we provide heat to solid substance, it melt, and again when we cool it, again it form a solid substance. So every substance in our surrounding is found in either in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Whatever may be the substances we are observing surrounding, so they have any state, either it is solid, liquid or gaseous state. Understood? In the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristics properties of a substance depend on its physical state and arrangement of particle in it. Now let's see the characteristics of different states of a substance. So that is solid. For example, a piece of iron. Okay, it has a shape of its own. Again, it retains shape no matter how it is kept. Means wherever we keep that substance, it have their own shape. Again, it has a definite volume. Solids like sugar, sand, when poured on a flat surface, it form a heap. So see in the picture, that is it form a heap form. Okay, understood? So that is the solid. Now next state is liquid. Example, water, spirit, oil. It does not have a shape of its own. It takes the shape of the containers. It has a specific volume, occupies definite portion of a container. Then it spread on a flat surface. Or when we pour it on flat surface, it spread it. Then it occupy their containers portion. It flows onwards along a slope. Okay, it flows downwards along a slope. So that is about the water. Next one, gaseous. Example, air. It does not have a shape of its own. It occupies all the available space. Then it does not have a definite volume. On changing the pressure on a gas in a closed container, its volume also changes. Okay, so that is all about the characteristics of states of a substance. Now see the changes of state. When we give heat to solid substance, it converts into liquid form. And again when we give heat to liquid substance, it converts into gaseous form. Okay. But when we cool to the gaseous form, gaseous substance, it form a liquid. Again when we cool to that liquid substance, it form a solid substance. Means when we give heat, means it gaining the heat, and when we cool it, means it losing the heat. So that is the change of state of a substance. So that is So these effects occur because of the heat. On gaining the heat, the substance changes from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. On the other hand, when the substance cools, it loses the heat and changes from gaseous to liquid and from liquid to solid state.